40 victims of illegal recruitment have filed cases before the Department of Migrant Workers since 2025. Some of them revealed being promised a salary of 260,000 pesos for factory worker positions, which encouraged them to apply, as Sheila Natividad shares the full story.
The Department of Migrant Workers, or DMW, together with the police, has shut down this unit in Binondo, Manila, owned by Maximum Recruitment Agency for its involvement in the illegal recruitment of overseas Filipino workers. The agency's modus operandi involves promoting their company on social media, then offering jobs and collecting high placement fees from applicants.
Ang ginagawa po nitong recruitment agency nito at saka may-ari ay pupunta po sila sa online, nagti-TikTok po sila. Usually doon po sila nagre-recruit at pagpupunta ka po dito sa kanilang ahensya, papupuntahin ka nila dito by appointment and dito po nila ipoprocess yung mga papel po nila.
According to the DMW, the recruitment agency is owned by a Filipina identified as Celeste Maxilum, from whom the company derives its name. Her alleged partner is a Russian national identified as Alex Curry, who is suspected of using a fake identity.
Wala po siyang lisensya sa DMW. Tinataga niya yung mga aplikante. Marami na pong aplikante na nakuhanan ng placement fees. Tumataya po yan, umabot ng almost 100,000. And pinapangakuan po trabaho dito po abroad.
No less than 40 victim complainants have filed cases before the DMW since 2025. Two of the victims personally attended the closure operation.
Nagbayad po ako sa kanya ng 65K. Tapos sinabi niya makakalis ako ng 2 months to 6 months. Tapos until now, 8 months na wala pa rin.
The victim also said she once worked in the agency's office but was never paid. Another victim shared a similar experience.
Nag-apply din po ako as a factory worker sa New Zealand ko. Pero yung naibayad ko lang po sa kanya is 20,000 through BPI po yun.
According to the victims, even though they were former OFWs in Kuwait, they were still enticed by the agency's promise of a 260,000 peso salary as factory workers. At present, those involved in the illegal recruitment are now in police custody. The DMW assures the public that their campaign against illegal recruiters does not end with this operation. The agency also expects more victims to come forward and file complaints against Maximum Recruitment Agency and others.
Maging vigilant po tayo. Alamin muna natin kung ang ating ahensya na ina-applyan ay lisensyado sa DMW. Maaari po kayong mag-verify sa aming website o kaya tumawag sa aming tanggapan.
Sheila Natividad from the National TV Network for the New and Better Philippines.